In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Google Drive. Let's start by addressing why you might want to make this change. Dark mode can be easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments, and can help reduce eye strain during long periods of use. Plus, it can save battery life on devices with OLED screens. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Google account and that Google Drive is accessible either through a web browser or the app on your device. Once you're in Google Drive, the process can differ slightly depending on whether you're using a mobile device or a desktop computer. If you're using a smartphone, you'll want to open up the Google Drive app first. Look for the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Click on them and navigate to Settings. From the Settings menu, there's an option labeled Theme. Tap on it, and you should see three choices: Light, Dark, and System Default. Select Dark if you wish to permanently enable dark mode. If you opt for System Default, dark mode will automatically be applied if it's enabled in your device settings. That's it, you're done. Now everything should appear with a darker background, which might feel more comfortable, particularly in dim lighting. For those using Google Drive on a desktop browser, things operate a bit differently. Currently, Google Drive doesn't have a built-in dark mode switch on the web, so you need to adjust some settings in your browser or make use of add-ons or extensions. If you're using Chrome, you can try a simple command to switch everything to dark. In the address bar, type chrome//flags and hit enter. Once you're in the experiments page, look for the Force Dark Mode for Web Contents option. Toggle it from default to enabled, then click relaunch. When your browser restarts, you should notice that all of your web content, including Google Drive, now appears in dark mode. Alternatively, consider using browser extensions such as Dark Reader. This extension is available for Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. After installing Dark Reader, its icon should appear in your browser toolbar. Click on it, and you'll be able to turn dark mode on or off with ease. You can also customize brightness, contrast, and other display options to suit your preferences. Remember, using dark mode is a personal choice, and it's all about what feels best for your eyes and device. Now that you know how to enable dark mode in Google Drive, why not give it a try? It's a small change that could make a significant difference in your user experience. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.